Let's now update you on the latest poll projections. In fact, Times Now C-Voter state poll projections reveal what could be expected in the assembly polls in 4 states that go to polls this year. Narendra Modi clearly emerging as the most popular leader.
In fact, Delhi is heading for a hung verdict. BJP is likely to make a comeback in Rajasthan. In Madhya Pradesh, the Congress is gaining but not enough to oust the BJP. And in Chhattisgarh, Raman Singh is likely to retain power.
Findings of the C-Voter survey revealing what to expect in the assembly elections ahead.
The Congress party losing Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan.
But Delhi is heading for a hung verdict. Even as the Congress is losing ground, the emergence of Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party has eaten into the gains made by the BJP.
It is clear that there's a wave in favor of Aam Aadmi Party across Delhi.
We will have to pull our stocks in Delhi, I do concede, but the anti-Congress mood in Delhi will also overtake.
Yet Sheila Dikshit has rejected the projections.
The levels of corruption. I think there is an anti-incumbency factor, because for the last 15 years, the way we have worked, we have resolved every issue that came up.
In Rajasthan, a major power switch is on the cards. The BJP is set to make a comeback under Vasundhara Raje Scindia. The party is seen winning a 2/3 majority, as Ashok Gehlot's Congress could lose as many as 32 seats compared to 2008.
Psephology may be a science, but psephology is not a perfect science. And with all due humility, with the blessings of the people, we will get it right again.
For the BJP, there's a reason to smile in Madhya Pradesh. The C-Voter survey has projected a hat-trick for Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Though the Congress is expected to gain marginally, the BJP's overall tally of 130 still gives Chauhan a comfortable majority.
Polls are not the last litmus test of what the final results.
Chhattisgarh is heading for a tough electoral battle, but Raman Singh has the edge. Despite losing 3 seats, the BJP will have the numbers to form the next government in Chhattisgarh. For the Congress, the killing of its top leadership by the Maoists is not creating a sympathy wave.
देखिए, सर्वेज अपनी जगह होते हैं और वास्तविकता अपनी जगह होती है। मैंने उस सर्वे का अध्ययन नहीं किया है।
Projected third terms in Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh and a comeback in Rajasthan has given the BJP a boost.
I'm saying this survey is right, but the survey is on the conservative nuance so far as BJP is concerned. BJP will do far better.
And how does it all add up for the big national picture?
Do you think the Congress party should now project its prime ministerial candidate? 55% said the Congress party should project its own prime ministerial candidate. Only 26% said no.
Clearly, the battle lines are drawn as India heads into an election season. Bureau Report, Times Now.